You know something about character? A dramatist persona depicted in works of literature is called a character. E.M. Forster was the first writer who makes an influential, though disputable, distinction between flat and round character. He has defined two types of character, flat and round characters. Flat characters are basically caricatures. Caricatures mean a picture or description of somebody that makes his appearance or behavior funnier. Whereas round characters are more complex and complex creation. In Kanthapura, characters like Murthy, Ratan, Priya, Rachana, Rangamma, etc. are fully described and developed round characters. Characters like Bhatt, Waterfall, Vekamma, Advocate Sankar are flat character. Second term, characterization. A writer apply this concept characterization. Characterization is a process of creating a character in a literary work. If you see Kanthapura, Rajarao has applied this ability characterization. A writer's art of characterization is judged by the techniques of telling and showing. Showing means allowing description, action, conversation between characters, and sometimes narration to create an image of the character in the mind of the reader. If you see Kanthapura, when you read this novel, you have an image of Murthy. Murthy is his mind, his narration, his physical ability, and his role. So you can get some hints of characterization in Kanthapura also. Next, you would find post-colonialism. It can be defined as an area of critical inquiry that examines the culture and modes of representation of previously colonized people, both before and after colonization. If you see India, India was a colony of British people. The post colonialism, however, does not stand for historical period, it rather refers to disparate forms of representation, reading practice, and values of colonized people, asserting the native culture. So, this is a very powerful term, post colonialism, and in chapter 9, you will find this term post colonialism. Post colonialism in meeting of the culture of two countries, the political cultural condition of a former colony, a theoretical approach in various disciplines that is concerned with the lasting impact of colonization in former colonies. Post colonialism studies is a study the cultural legacy of colonialism and imperialism, focusing on the human consequences of the control and exploitation of colonized people and their island. So you should read this term also. What is post-colonialism? And this is a very powerful term in literature. And we have complete chapter 1 question, and you should read chapter 2. Chapter 2 question: who is Bade Khan? Bade Khan is a policeman who is sent by the British authority to the village Kanthapura. So you are reading this novel Kanthapura, written by Raja Rao. You have seen the character of Bade Khan. He is a policeman. He is on a specific mission. He is sent. He is sent for a specific mission uh, to the village Kanthapura, and it is his job to collect as much information as possible about the anti-establishment activities of Murthy and his fellow villagers. Why does Bade Khan find it difficult to find a house in the village? Bade Khan is a Muslim. Bade Khan needs a house in the village to live in, but nobody is ready to give him a house because, being a Muslim, he finds it practically impossible to get a house because Kanthapura is a close knit caste divided society. Neither the Brahman nor the Priya nor any other caste allowed anyone other than their own caste to live in their house, and there are no Muslim in the village, so he was not able to get a house. So thank you.